Hello, my name's Andrew with Hoffman Lawn Fertilization. Today we're going to be talking about how to change a sidewalk edging blade. So when Stihl sells you the stick edger, ultimately a little piece comes like this that will fit onto the bolt that holds this on. Something that's really important and you need to remember is that it is a reverse thread. So oftentimes it's going to be righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Well, in this case, it's going to be righty-loosey. Now, when you need to loosen this, if we can pan in and look real closely, here at the bottom of this stick edger, there's a little hole right here. And they also provide you with a little pin. The way that you'll do this is you'll just insert the pin and rotate until you find the hole. There it is, right there. Then you've got your tool that Stihl provided you with, and then you'll simply spin this to the right, righty-loosey in this situation. So we've got the screw all the way loose, and this will just wiggle off. You've got your cap that's been provided here. Discard your old edger. Slide that new edger blade on there. Put the cover back on. Then remember, it is reverse thread. So you're going to go left. That'd be counterclockwise to tighten that back up. We've got our pin that's been provided right here. You kind of wiggle this around, make sure it's flush and sitting in there just right. Spin it backwards. Don't have to apply too much pressure. Pull your pin out, and then you're set. The pin that Stihl provided to change your edger blade, you might not be able to find it. It's a little piece, and oftentimes it'll get lost in the truck. So another thing that you could do is with that edger blade, that new one that you've got, you can jam that in there, and then you can break it loose using that. So that's just a quick little tip, trick for changing your edger blade. Thank you.